Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Making Jackfruit Kofta Curry in Jaisri Kadai Katha English channel. I welcome to you all. Before we start, please like and comment and do subscribe. And then let's start. I've taken two potatoes and cut segments of jackfruit with little salt and turmeric. Allow it to boil with mustard oil on an induction cooker. It will take 15 to 20 minutes. I have taken ginger, garlic, green chili, onion, and will make this as paste. And in the similar manner, I will make paste of tomato also. Quantity given on the screen. And I will mash the jackfruit and potato after when it has got cooled and mix it with little onion, don't put more, little green chili, salt, cumin powder, and little gram for flour for the binding. Mix it well and ensure that it doesn't stick to your finger. For that, I have taken mustard oil and put small patties kind of shape, which is a kofta. So in this manner I will be making all the koftas. In this mixture I can make 20 at a time. So I have made and will do similarly for all the mixture. Now I have taken oil in a kadai, little extra oil, and fry the patties both the side until it becomes golden, and repeat this procedure until finished. You have to repeat this procedure of frying. So after getting done, we will remove it in a separate container. It's done. Similarly we'll do for other lot. I've taken in the same oil, I've taken red chili whole, few cardamoms, cinnamon, and cloves, and cumin seeds, and bay leaf, and put the ginger, garlic, onion, green chili paste, and saute it for some time. And in this same mixture I'll add the tomato paste, which is freshly blended in a grinder or mixer grinder until oil comes out of the surface. See, it has water has almost evaporated. In this period I'll add salt, turmeric powder little extra, coriander powder, cumin powder, spicy red chili powder, and Kashmiri chili powder as well for the color, and saute it till it dries up. Ensure that the masala should not burn. This you have to remember. And we'll add the water. Always remember, the kofta has to be added to the gravy just before consuming it, like in hotels. So this has boiling for the last 3 4 minutes, and I'll add little gawa ghee. Before that I added sugar, garam masala for the maximum flavor, hate bajare ghawa ghee from Kolkata, buluni ghee, and I'll add it to the gravy. I'll not put this kofta in the gravy and cook it. I'll put it in a serving dish and put the gravy, and with little balona ghee, which is hate bajare gawa ghee. I'm showing you the presentation in a plate. I mixed one vada, deformed it, and you can see how beautiful it looks. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. See you in the next episode. Bye bye for now.